Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant repost notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, and want a cleaner, distraction-free experience on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to prevent repost notifications using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open X from your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on your home feed, look to the left sidebar and find the More icon. Click on it to expand a menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can customize a wide range of preferences for your account. Next, look for the Notifications section in the list. Click on Notifications, and then you'll see an option for Preferences. Go ahead and select Preferences to access more detailed notification controls. Now, you'll see a variety of notification types you can manage. Choose Push Notifications. This is where you can fine-tune what alerts you receive from X while browsing on your PC. Scroll through the push notification settings until you find the section labeled Reposts. Here, you'll see a toggle or an option that lets you turn repost notifications off. Click on the switch or select Off under Reposts. This will ensure you no longer receive notifications every time someone reposts content. Once you've made this change, your settings are automatically saved. You can now enjoy a more streamlined experience on X free from unnecessary repost alerts. That's all it takes. By following these simple steps, you can take control of your notification preferences and focus on what matters most to you. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your clutter-free X experience.